How to change a 2-piece mouldable pouching system. Wash your hands before preparing the required items. Spray the adhesive remover and gently peel the adhesive base plate, starting from the top to prevent spillage. Use wet wipes to clean fecal matter, body fluids, or adhesive stains on the skin. If you see traces of blood, do not panic. Use a paper towel to dab the surrounding skin dry. Inspect the stoma and surrounding skin. Look out for any skin changes such as redness or skin irritation. Apply a small amount of stoma powder to the surrounding skin. Gently brush away any excess powder. Use the skin barrier spray on surrounding skin and let it dry. Apply the ostomy seal moldable ring to the skin around the stoma. Mold and stretch the ring to the desired size. Fit it snugly around the stoma. Draw an arrow to indicate the orientation and position of the stoma. Roll the adhesive back until the opening is of the desired shape and size of the stoma. Remove the base plate backing. Align the base plate around the stoma and apply gentle pressure with your hands. Run your fingers all the way around the stoma to ensure it is sealed well. Remove the white tape border and press gently onto the skin for a secure fit. Apply stoma powder to the edge of the stoma. Apply oil or lotion on the base plate flange and pouch rim. Align and apply gentle pressure to attach the pouch to the base plate and ensure a secure fit. Look out for any gaps and ensure the pouch is properly attached to the base plate. Remember to close the outlet of the drainable pouch. Place your palm over the base plate for 10 to 15 minutes after changing for better adhesion. Here are some tips on how to take care of your stoma bag. The colorectal nurse will also review your stoma and guide you through your stoma care journey.